Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I just want to tout the advantages of having a telescopic ability to point and condense the area of whatever type of liquid you need to be spraying with my handy dandy Solo pump sprayer. I have had this thing for years. It is flawless. The Solo company is amazing. And just wanted to do a quick demo while I am cleaning the interior of my very own Dodge Caliber, which is in quite a need for cleaning. And I got to say, I've actually owned it for months, and I'm finally getting around to it. But regardless of that, I just want to show you the different angles and the way that if you're using this for a spot treater before you do your extraction in an interior detail that has the complete, shampooing package and everything, I just want to try and capture some of this. So first off, like I said, this is telescoping. I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand, but you can, well, maybe I can. So you can take this, sorry, I had to come back to this. You can tighten it down here and you can stretch this out. And I'd say that this gives you any idea. I can reach the entire other side of this fairly wide back seating just from this area. So when you've got this thing all pumped up and you want to shoot the back side along the edges, which are completely impossible to get to unless you are moving around and going around the car. But this just makes it so much easier. Not only is the telescopic, let me put this in here and tighten this back down. Oh, I've got it on lock. I may as well mention that. So it's got an auto locking feature that you can just keep the fluid pumping out. That's really nice. You just slide this little tab. You can see I've got a nice misting spray, and then you pull back on this button and release it, and it actually is quite good at stopping. But what you also can do is with this directional cup, you can, let me pump you while I pump my Solo. You can actually get on angles. You can hold the Solo pump sideways and reach the tops and the far sides and the sides of seats, which is really, really nice. You can be here and again, get those surfaces. If I would focus on what I'm doing here, get these areas that are really hard to get. Look, I can, get right by the headliner and get up on top of the headrest. I can change the direction and I can come in here and get these sides. I can even point it where I can't even see right now, and I can get the sides and edges. Of course, I need to readjust where these seats are. But anyway, just quick, simple, easy. I'm removing some stains in this car, and I just wanted to, hype a little bit on this Solo pump sprayer. The mechanics of it are amazing. I've never had any issues at all. High quality. It is pretty chemical resistant from what I understand. And again, just a little trick. Maybe you hadn't seen this before. Also great at getting up in wheel wells. If you're using a all-purpose cleaner, you can really reach up inside, spray things down. It's just got 1,000,001 uses, and I just wanted to share that with you. So I thank you and enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Until next time, take care.